waves.
Hello, people of the internet. I'm back from SEMA. I am in my garage and I am trying to figure out what the hell to work on next. That's why there's no project car behind me. Teeter Tot here needs a clutch and flywheel for me to continue on with this project. And I was not able to partner with any companies at SEMA for this build. So unfortunately, the TT must sit a little while. Only thing this guy right here needs for me to get out in the dirt trails and start rallying is lifted suspension, underbelly protection, and a roll cage. Which means Sir Codsworth here needs the least amount of money, potentially, to get up and running and have this project finished. However, it needs the most amount of fabricating. But I am open to learn, and I can always buy my own welder like off Craigslist or something and just start making some stuff. My BB Forrester Gump over here needs absolutely nothing because he is Forrester Gump and he just likes to run. It's also a Subaru, so I should watch my mouth. The only thing I have to do with the Forester is the brakes, but I want to do an OEM Brembo upgrade from an STI, which means I need to keep my eye open for a set of 08 and up black STI Brembos, as well as I'd like to upgrade the suspension on here, and I was thinking about doing Cusco coilovers. I just bit my lip. Which leads us to Mr. Dose, my other baby, and the most sensible choice for something for me to work on in this video, because it just needs lots of little things and it needs me to turn the boost up on it and make more horsepowers. Hello, it's now the next day and I have to get to work on MR2. First thing I need to do, and this is something that I left off a couple months ago actually, is if you notice, my door is half taken off. I had this thing sitting in storage with the door just barely on there because, let me show you. What I'm talking about, that's why I work on cars with nails, because they undo clipper doodles. Handy dandy casting couch to hold parts. I really gotta come up with a better name for that couch than the casting couch. I know what that means. It sounds cute. It's like you're fishing from a couch. These guys right here are brand new door speakers from brand blah blah blah. Not giving away free advertising, but you guys can clearly see what kind of speaker that is. Anyway, what I need to do is figure out why my driver's side left speaker, front speaker, is not working. And the wires that go to the speaker are these guys right here, the pink and purple wires that go down in that hole of abyss. And yeah, there's plugs here, and then there's obviously going to be wires that run through, well, oh, there, right there. And then from there, it'll go into a junction, I'm assuming right here behind the kick panel. And from the kick panel, it'll go over to the head unit. I must take this speaker off. I gotta be careful, this Phillips screwdriver and the screw, not to puncture my speaker itself. Undone. Pink to pink. Good. Purple to purple. We're good. We have continuity. I don't want to break this. I don't want to break this. There we go. Come off. There we go. That one. There we go. Door panel off. Out. There we go. Since I had no issues with the passenger side of the car before, I'm going to do the exact same checks I just did on the driver's side to use some comparative troubleshooting, since I don't have a wiring schematic for this car. Green to green. Good. Blue to blue. Good. So that means the wiring from the door up to the tweeter and down to the speaker all check out good. There's no breaks in those wires. Now I have to test from the door back to the head unit. The wires from the door should go under this kick panel on the driver's side. Gently, gently. All right, that's off. Oh, there's purple. Maybe I got lucky. Thank you, internet forum. Whoever created this years ago, you're amazing. So here are the clips for the driver's side door speaker, which right here, pink and purple, the wires I just saw. Internet forums, what we used to do before YouTube. Glad they're still out there. Maybe someone like 10 years from now will be watching my video, looking at how to do this and wondering what the hell is wrong with me. There's nothing wrong with me. And there you have it. That is the harness for the left door speaker. Hello there. Here's that one. Pink. Pink. Yep. Purple, purple. Multimeter. Multibar. All right, so I'm gonna insert this into the purple and then the pink, and we're gonna see if we have continuity through the door fold area where there might be a pinch, likely. Insert right here. That's my purple. Purple is good. We have continuity with purple. Time to inspect the pink, and the pink is no good. No good. Nothing. Check my purple again. Yep. Pink. There's a break in the pink wire. And there you have it. Confirmed. The break is in the pink wire going through the door itself. I know this sounds a bit redundant, but I'm also going to check from that harness to the back of the head unit. Just in case I go and fix this wire and then still have the same issue, I know that that wire over there is good. What the hell kind of screw is that? I used the cap head Allen screw to hold my... There's that. Be gentle, be gentle. Gentle. That means everything going to the head unit is good. And the other wire, yep, that wire is good too. Yeah. Out you come, Cup. Out you come. Out you go, rubber. Out you go. I gotta remove the hood latch so I can get this harness through there. Okay, there's a zip tie right here and I would like to be able to retain it. I don't want to lose it. Let's see if I can do this without destroying this factory zip tie. There we go. Ha! Retained my zip tie and everything. Look at that. Pull these plugs out through here. It's gonna be really tricky. Ah, I see what it is. It's this big rubber butt plug. This rubber butt plug is what's causing me the issue. Get these through the door. Get your clipper doodle. There you go. Ta-da! There's the complete harness for the door. I got it out of there. So now, I just need to take this rubber off, and that's what he said. The easy fix for this would be to just run an extra wire and tape it to the other harness, but that's not how I build project cars. I don't half-ass things, so I'm going to undo the factory tape on this harness, peel back the rubber, and de-pin that wire at each plug and replace just that individual wire. Or so I thought, until I discovered creepy green death. This is the exact same problem I had when I bought this car, and why the previous 3 owners could never get this thing to start. The condition of these wires is actually the same on the purple as is the pink. There's creepy green death on here. I've already had so many wiring issues on this car. In my mind, the correct thing to do would be to replace all the harnesses on this vehicle with new ones. But I don't have the budget for that. Let's see how far back this cruddy wire goes. That's pretty good back here. Peeling back this purple wire right here, it's actually not that bad. So this one is still good from here all the way up to the tweeter. This guy right here though still has quite a bit of green and black in it. To save time, all I'm gonna do is use the wiring that came with the speaker kit and just run this to the brand new tweeters, which have these little weatherproof jacket doodads on them anyway. And that saves some time. I don't have to make that part of the harness, unlike the rest of it. You shall tweet no more, bird, tweeter, whatever. Okay, cut it. Goodbye, tweeter. That's pretty cute. My new tweeter fits perfectly inside this foam piece. I don't think it's going anywhere. That thing's pretty, it's pretty in there. I just used the bracket that the factory tweeter was mounted on and popped it off. So that way it'll give some kind of a support to keep this thing in place. Oh, that's in there firm. Just like that. Oh, that's good. That's good, that's real good. Just like that. This actually goes through the speaker, unlike the factory. So this is a slightly different route. This is the speaker I just removed from the passenger side. As you see, there's one point to connect the speaker to the car right here. Nothing on the other side. The new speaker right here has a spot where you connect the speaker. However, because it's a component speaker, the other side has the spot where you hook up your tweeter. Speaking of tweeters, penguins. Penguins don't tweet, I know. They make a sound like a dying cow. I want to be able to reuse this zip tie. So, there we go. In case you're wondering, I'm going very gentle with this razor blade, that way I don't cut the wires that are underneath it. Hi, it's the next morning. Back to the wiring. How do I... Got it. I said I was gonna route it like factory and I meant it, so I gotta cut this tape right here. Do, 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 do. Just like that. Wrap that up. That's in there. Snap. That's satisfying. There, routed just like factory. Sticked back on there. This is a pin. I removed the pin from the factory plug. I'm going to add new wire into it and run a new red and a black wire to my speaker. The red and the black will substitute the pink and the purple. Black will be purple, red will be pink. FYI, this is not the correct way to add a pin to a wire, but this is a used pin, so I'm improvising. Cue the soldering music. It's time to make some solder. There you go. It's not perfect, but it's pretty damn close to being factory. Now that we're this far along into the video, I figured those of you that are still watching care about this channel, so I got something I want to talk about with you. One of my main goals for going to SEMA this year was to try to get some more sponsorships to help out with these project cars, because when I started out with the Project Focus, I wanted to make this cool budget rally car, which requires a lot of fabrication, and teeter-tot was supposed to be a track build that I would go enjoy on the track and then eventually get rid of. And I'm still fixing stuff on this car a year and a half later. And the MR2 is really the only thing I have to be proud of that I've accomplished. And I feel bad, like I'm letting you guys down because my projects and builds on this channel aren't over the top and extreme like so many other YouTube build series. And I know those of you that are watching this video still don't care about that stuff. You watch the videos regardless, but I feel like I'm not giving you guys enough in return. Depin you. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is so nasty. Now I just have to pull this purple wire out of this pin so I can reuse it on the blue wire. I know this seems kind of out of the blue, and I think maybe I just let the comments get to me because I get compared against these massive YouTube channels with huge budgets and tons of sponsorships. And I just logistically can't compete with that. And I know I'm capable of building crazy, insane builds. I can't. I just suck at the business aspect of all this. I don't know. Ouch, that's hot. Why did I grab that? Well, that kind of worked. I used some baking soda and vinegar to clean this other pin up. Tuck that in there like so. Pink went over here. There we go. That's in there like that. Slide this jacket over the end. It's time to test out if this stuff actually works. Go in your home. There we go. Moment of truth. It's time to see if I have a working left speaker for the first time ever in the MR2. I just made that sound so dramatic. Here goes nothing. I can't play music because of copyright reasons, but I should be able to hit the button beep and see. It beeps! Ta-da! That right there is completion. Door is all put back together, the new speaker, and then I also put the head unit back together, and yeah, I still have to do the other door. However, the other side of the car works. There's nothing wrong with it. I just gotta install the new speaker, and you've already seen me do it once on this side, so there's no point in filming it again. I'm gonna do it here as soon as this video goes up off camera, just because it's redundant. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'm probably gonna work on the MR2 in the next video or two because I still gotta hook up the boost controller, and I gotta get a clutch and flywheel for this TT. So I'm going to probably order one here in the next week or two. And yeah, and as far as the Focus goes, I don't know, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna fabricate a roll cage for this thing. So I will see you guys soon with another video. Bye.